Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mint chutney from scratch. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, half a cup of fresh cilantro, and 1 vibrant green chili for a little kick. Don't forget a small piece of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic to add depth. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten all those wonderful flavors, making your chutney truly irresistible. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for blending. First, make sure to thoroughly wash and gently pat dry all your fresh herbs. Then, roughly chop the mint, cilantro, ginger, and green chili. This helps them blend smoothly. Don't forget to peel and finely mince your 2 garlic cloves. Have about 1/4 cup of water or plain yogurt ready. This will help achieve the perfect chutney consistency. It's time to blend our delicious chutney. Carefully combine all your prepared ingredients into a small blender or food processor. Now, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of black salt for that authentic flavor. Blend the mixture until it forms a smooth, consistent paste. If it's too thick, gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or yogurt until you reach your desired texture. Your fresh mint chutney is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the salt or add a little more lemon juice if you like. This vibrant chutney is perfect served immediately with your favorite snacks, like samosas or pakoras. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When properly stored, your delicious homemade mint chutney will remain fresh for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.